Good morning to everyone. My name is G. Sonia. I am studying BTech final year in the Department of ECE at RGUKT IIIT Ongole. I have worked and finished a project of QR code generator using HTML, CSS and JavaScript under the guidance of EduNet Foundation related to applied cloud computing for software development. Now I want to explain briefly about my project of QR code generator. Coming to the contents of my project. This is the outline of my project. Generally, QR code generator using HTML, CSS and JavaScript is a web-based application designed to dynamically generate QR codes based on user input. This project leverages the integration of these three technologies to create a user-friendly interface for generating QR codes on the fly. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is employed to structure the web pages, defining the various elements such as input fields, buttons, and the canvas where the QR code will be displayed. CSS, Cascading Style Sheets, is utilized for styling and layout purposes, ensuring a visually appealing and responsive design. The core functionality of QR code generation is implemented using JavaScript, which handles user interactions and dynamically updates the QR code based on the input provided. The application utilizes a QR code generation library or algorithm to convert user provided data into a QR code representation. Now we can know the problems arising in our day-to-day life regarding QR code. While QR codes are quite the sturdy technology and are easy to read with any smartphone, sometimes improper designs can render them unscannable. There are things to look out of for such as color mismatches, materials the QR code will be used on, its size and more. Here we have outlined the most common QR code scanning problems and how they can be resolved. The quiet zone that distinguishes the QR code from the surroundings is too small or non-existent. So the QR code can't be read because the design has left out the quiet zone. The scanner can't determine what is the graphic and what is the QR code. Make sure to always leave enough space for the quiet zone. The ideal size would be if the quiet zone is at minimum 4 ms larger than the width of your QR code modules. When in original form, the modules are the black levels that make up the QR code. Coming to the main solution for above arised problem is to use the QR codes only which are generated by using the three techniques of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. QR code means quick response code is a type of two-dimensional barcode that is used to provide easy access to online information through the digital camera on a smartphone or tablet. QR codes are frequently used to track information about products in a supply chain and because many smartphones have built-in QR readers, they are often used in marketing and advertising campaigns. QR codes were originally invented to replace barcodes at supermarkets as they can store more information and are easier to scan. Now, QR codes have a wide range of uses across all types of industries such as education, marketing, and logistics. They will require minimal space on your ad banner, pamphlets, product, or any other place. This is the system architecture of QR code generator, and this is the overall database. From this database, we take a data from this database. This is the display unit on which QR code is generated. The algorithm and deployment. First of all, we create a HTML structure for your QR code generator. In this, we include input fields, a button for generating the QR code, and a container to display the QR code. And next, we add some basic styling to your elements for a better visual appearances. And next, write the JavaScript code to handle QR code generation. You can use a QR code library like QR code generator. And next, download the QR code.min.js file from the QR code generator. GitHub repository or use a CDN link. Include this link in your HTML file. And next, open the HTML file in a web browser. Enter the text or a URL in the input field. Click the Generate QR code button and the QR code will be displayed. This is the whole process for the QR code generator. This is the HTML code for the QR code generator. And next we open the QR code file. In this it shows generate QR code. In this we paste any URL link. For example, we take any URL link from the Chrome. And search for any URL link. Next, copy any URL link. Paste it. And click on generate QR code. Then it will generate a QR code. This is the output of the QR code generator. We can give any URL link, then it will generate a QR code for that URL link. Next, coming to the conclusion. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are inherently cross-platform, making your QR code generator accessible on various devices and operating systems without any additional installations. Users can access the QR code generator directly through a web browser, eliminating the need for users to download and install a separate application. JavaScript enables real-time QR code generation, allowing users to see the results instantly without the need for page reloads. There are some future scopes of QR code generator. Future QR code generators may incorporate more interactive features and animations, providing users with a more engaging and dynamic experience. QR codes could be used in conjunction with AR and VR technologies, allowing users to access immersive content or experiences by scanning QR codes. QR codes could play a role in connecting physical objects to the Internet of Things, that is IoT, enabling users to interact with and control IoT devices through QR code scans. Thanking you, Edinet Foundation, for your support.